This was supposed to cook on the beach. Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean Style. My name is Cherry and Douglas, and today we are going to try and cook some wild hog. Wild hog. And yes, we bought this at Master Duck Farm. So big up to Master Duck Farm. So we're going to try this. We're going to curry it. So we're going to cook and enjoy this wild hog. This is my first time trying this. So I am going to see how it tastes. I'm not a big fan of wild hog, but let's see how it goes. So again, big up to Master Duck Farm. So go and check him out on Facebook. We're gonna see you guys when we start to cook this. So guys, today we're gonna cook the wild hog that we seasoned yesterday. We seasoned it with normal Caribbean green seasoning, some grated garlic and ginger and hot pepper and stuff, and we marinate it here. So today we're actually going to cook it. I'm going to try my best to do it great. So I have the fire there. I'm gonna cut up just some onion. I'm gonna do some onion. So we have garlic, a few cloves of garlic we just grated. And as you can see today, we are not on the beach because it's raining out. So we decided to do this showdown at home. So we have some pimento here. You could use the seed, you could leave the seed in the pimento if you choose to. But I like to take it out because sometimes the seed is very spicy, very hot. Not everybody likes spicy hot food. Hi Ariana. Shower. I want to put a hot pepper. Nice hot pepper. Nice.
It's raining.
So I'm going to put it on the fire here.
It's
nice.
Wet inside the pot.
So we have our curry. Here, so I'm going to put
Are we cooking today again?
wild hog.
Oh, okay. I can mix it.
Sure. So this is our curry. Some water here. Some serious wild hog. Nice, delicious wild hog.
Just throwing away some stuff while I still unlike it. Like that.
I'm going to add oil to the pot.
I'm cool.
Going to fry up the tomatoes and the garlic and the onions and the hot pepper before I throw in the guys, I'm just showing the curry.
It's smelling good.
Yes. That's nice. Nice. I'm gonna throw in the curry now.
Kind of fuzzy.
Guys, see the curry here? Nice. And add the wild hog tape. That's all the wild hog tape. Fry it in the curry.
Mommy, you want a cocktail?
Yes, I do. I'm sitting here cooking this food for you guys.
All right,
Might as well fix me up.
All right, I'll make you one.
Nice. Oh,
There you go.
thank you.
White oak, watermelon flavored cocktail for the hard-working cooking woman.
Nice, nice. Guys, you see how the water is drying up in it? So now it's dry and it's kind of frying up now. Now I'm going to add some water to it. So I don't want it to burn. We have a nice curry, nice caramel color that just looks so wonderful. If you guys could just smell it. Nice. Might add some more water too.
We're making buttercup.
No, we're not.
Okay, fine, we go make normal roti.
Okay, we're gonna season up the, give it some taste dark. Some more pepper seasoning. Complete seasoning.
Hola. It's fuzzy.
Black pepper. Love my garlic powder. So guys, this is the finishing product of our wild hog. Smells delicious, looks awesome. So we're going to make
Roti.
the starter roti now.
You're looking spectacular.
This is our final touches of our curry, wild hog, sada, roti, and you never go wrong with a fresh salad.
They
So
look like watercress. Is that watercress?
yes.
Ooh, All right, let me taste this. Let me taste this. Let me see how it tastes. Taste of the old.
Okay, the 220, the 220 I share.
No.
Well, I guess she own one and I
That is so good.
What? Salt? What do you think?
Oh God, that's good. Mommy, perfect spice. Nice, perfect spice. Let's try one with a little tomato.
So my adventure family, I love rice, so I am having my curry wild hog with rice, with rice, a nice fresh salad, and yes, no other than nice pieces of hot pepper. You guys could comment and see who like rice and who like
Roti.
roti. I like my rice. So the wild hog it's very soft. It's nice, it's tasty, and guys, I am just enjoying this. I wish you guys were here to actually taste it and smell it. It's really, really good. So guys, thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification button, and like the videos and share it. So see you guys on the next one. Out.